Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are someone who loves a rich, bold cup of authentic Italian espresso, but you do not want to deal with the clutter and high cost of a bulky electric machine, then you are in the right place today. We are taking a deep dive into the Easyworkz Diego Stovetop Espresso Maker. This is a massive 12-cup stainless steel Moka pot that promises to deliver cafe-quality coffee right in your own kitchen, and it even works on modern induction cooktops. Let us break down everything you need to know about this brewer, from its build quality and features to its pros and cons, so you can decide if it deserves a spot on your stove. Let us start with the design and build quality, which is usually where traditional Moka pots either shine or fall short. The Easyworkz Diego is crafted from premium 18-8 food-grade stainless steel. Unlike traditional aluminum Moka pots, stainless steel will not rust, it will not corrode, and it does not leave any metallic taste in your coffee. The exterior features a stunning high mirror polish that looks genuinely elegant on the countertop. But Easyworkz did not just focus on looks. They also prioritized safety and comfort. The pot is equipped with a heat-resistant hollow insulated lid and a sturdy handle grip. When you are dealing with boiling water and hot metal, having a handle that stays cool to the touch is an absolute game changer. Furthermore, the base is made from a heavy-gauge magnetic stainless steel. This is crucial because it ensures total compatibility with induction burners, while also performing exceptionally well on traditional gas and electric cooktops. Now let us talk about capacity and performance. This specific model is the 12-cup version, which yields about 17.5 fluid ounces, or 520 milliliters, of coffee. That makes it fantastic for families, entertaining guests, or for those heavy coffee drinkers who need a serious caffeine boost to start the morning. Brewing with it is straightforward. The manufacturer recommends using about 40 grams of finely ground coffee along with water to get the absolute best tasting extraction. Because of the heavy-duty base, it heats up remarkably fast, taking less than 5 minutes on the heat source to brew a full pot. The resulting coffee is extra strong, incredibly rich, and packed with wonderful aromas. Another standout feature included with this Moka pot is the coffee reducer. This is a very smart inclusion because a 12-cup pot is large, but what happens if you only want a smaller batch of coffee on a lazy afternoon? With the coffee reducer, you can easily brew a smaller amount of espresso without sacrificing flavor or ruining the extraction ratio. Safety is also a major priority here, and the unit comes equipped with a certified safety valve designed for double protection against excessive pressure buildup. Cleaning up after your morning routine is usually a chore, but this unit makes it easy. It is fully disassemblable and dishwasher-safe, though a quick rinse by hand is usually more than enough to keep the stainless steel gleaming. Backed by over a decade of manufacturing experience and a solid 24-month quality guarantee, you can tell that a lot of thought went into the engineering of this machine. Every product has its strengths and weaknesses, so let us weigh the pros and cons starting with the pros. First, the 18-8 stainless steel construction is top tier, offering superior durability, rust resistance, and a gorgeous mirror finish. Second, the induction compatibility makes it versatile for any modern kitchen setup. Third, the large 12-cup capacity is ideal for groups or heavy coffee consumers, while the included coffee reducer adds great versatility for smaller batches. Fourth, the heat-resistant handle and lid keep your hands safe during pouring. Fifth, it is dishwasher-safe and very easy to take apart for cleaning. On the con side, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because this is the 12-cup model, the physical footprint is quite large and heavy compared to standard 3-cup or 6-cup Moka pots, meaning it takes up more storage space in your cabinets. Also, mastering the heat level on an induction or gas stove takes a little bit of practice to avoid burning the coffee grounds. Finally, while it is called a 12-cup maker, traditional Moka pot cups are espresso size, so do not expect 12 massive mugs of regular drip coffee. To wrap things up, the Easyworkz Diego Stovetop Espresso Maker is a stellar kitchen tool for anyone who appreciates the ritual of stovetop coffee brewing. It combines the timeless charm of Italian coffee making with modern materials like heavy-gauge induction stainless steel. It is durable, beautiful, highly functional, and versatile enough to handle both large gatherings and smaller single servings thanks to the handy reducer. If you want to elevate your morning coffee routine with a reliable, elegant machine that will last for years, this is definitely worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. Link in the description.